What's up, everybody? And today I'm gonna show you the review on the revolver and respawnables. The revolver is my favorite weapon. I love this gun. This gun is a 3-shot KO or a 2-shot KO. So you just have to start. I'm using an iPad. Oh, whiplash. Just need to run away from whiplash. Oh, I hate Vulcan Dynamite. He's annoying. He has the freaking shotgun. He's so annoying. Show the review. This thing does a lot of damage. Reloads fast. This thing is a very good weapon. It's good on the rocket. It's a 3-shot KO gun. The revolver is my favorite weapon. Long range, medium range, short range. I just love this gun. It's 4-shot KO because I'm like a very freaking long range. I'll get down there so you can see. I'm gonna kill Vulcan Dynamite. I got the drop a grenade skill when I die. So, I mean I don't have that yet on my other account. Whiplash is so hard. I just hate Whiplash. Whiplash has the dual freaking revolvers. That's pretty much it, guys. Subscribe to my channel. That's the review of the revolver.